Humpty Dumpty's Grocery Adventure. Once upon a time, in a vibrant town, there was a friendly grocery store owned by Humpty Dumpty. Every morning, Humpty Dumpty would arrange fresh fruits, vegetables, and other goods, ensuring everything was perfect for his customers. One sunny day, a group of children entered the store, excited to help with the shopping. Humpty Dumpty greeted them warmly and handed each a shopping list. The children eagerly set off to find the items: apples, bananas, carrots, and milk. As they explored the aisles, they sang cheerful songs about healthy foods and their benefits. Humpty Dumpty joined in, dancing and singing along, making the shopping experience joyful and educational. After collecting all the items, the children proceeded to the checkout. Humpty Dumpty praised them for their excellent choices and reminded them of the importance of eating nutritious foods to stay strong and healthy. The children left the store with smiles, looking forward to their next visit. Humpty Dumpty waved goodbye, happy to have shared the joy of healthy eating with his young friends. From that day on, the grocery store became a favorite spot for the children, where they learned about different foods and the importance of a balanced diet, all while having fun with their friend Humpty Dumpty.